Alright guys, here by Big Time for the Buzz Out, and this tutorial we go talk about the jQuery hide and show method. So this hide and show method now, very simple lines. The method like that will use the either hide item or hide element or show the element. Not different from the other ones what they do before, like fade or show. The like fade or slide, but this one, the difference we see it give that animation feel, as in they animate differently now than the other ones now. You get? So what I'll do, I'll come here, I'll say we'll target that our same button would use, then we'll say when we click on the button, we'll go run this function. So inside this function, I just want to say we'll click on the explore button, it go hide this our h1 text right inside here now. So you get, so I'll just copy this one, paste them here, then I'll say hide. Then if you put the time, we'll be like to hide like might just say slow. Slow supposed to work there now. Oh. I think they add the button instead. Suppose the h1 now hide now. Alright. So when I click now, you see you don't hide that item now. You see that item don't hide now. So more we expect most of everything that actually they happen when they click on this thing. So I'll refresh, I'll target this h1 now. Then I'll put this return false here so that this is not called a jump. So I'll refresh again. I'll click. You see that happen now? You see display none. So this one will be like that hour, the time let's talk about feed. It's just that feed now so I could just feed that one. But this one, since it animates ago. So meaning if we slow this one down to like 5,000, we'll see. Refresh. Come, Ctrl X. This one. This one say the take time now. See the animate now. It goes small like that till the thing off now. Share this here now. Correct. So that now for the hide. Then the show now. Some people like say they hidden before, now they affect. You see, some people like say they hidden before, now they affect. So that h1 now they hidden by default now because of our CSS style we put here. So by the time we click on explore now, see, I say you can come outside jeter by jeter. Jeter. Don't come outside. Alright. So then I just the hide and the show. It's too slow. Now just the hide and the show method. And this hide and show methods too, they still get toggle. They still get toggle. So if you want to do, you want to realize at least when you click, it go hide. When you how you doing now? When you click again, it go show if you do something like that. So if you come here, then you see toggle. Then refresh the show now. So if we click, map like 1,000. Yeah. Refresh. So when you click now, you go hide. When you click again, you go show. When you click, you go hide. When you click again, it does show. Share this here now. So that is just the hide, the show, and the toggle method. So now we're going to end this video. If you get any question, you ask for the comment section. And if you like the video, like it properly, subscribe to the channel. If you be new person, yes, subscribe to the channel, make for no loss. Then tell that what they happen. I'll still be a lawyer with Big Time for the Buzz Out, and I go sooner for the next video. Thank you.